the first aerial tram in North America here at Cannon Mountain, and those cars held 27 people, and over 42 years burned 6.5 million people. 1980, they replaced it with this current tram system, which they replaced it in 2 days. Shut it down. Put a new one in. But this car can hold up to 80 people plus the driver in the summer, 70 in the winter. We ride on the 2 fat cables that you see here. Those are the track ropes. And we're attached to the small rope in the middle of the haul rope. Pulls us up and down. 2 cars, a red one and a yellow one, so we refer to them as Ketchup and mustard. Technically, they're Lafayette and Lincoln. One starts in each end, we go back and forth all day like a old-fashioned clothesline. The cable's about a mile long, and the first tower's a half mile up, so we'll pass the other car, and we'll give a wave. That body of water you see out the back corner, that's Echo Lake. Echo Lake's at the northern end of the state park. Chrome Gorge is at the other end. We get all our snowmaking water in the winter right out of Echo Lake. We use about 200 million gallons a year, all spring fed, so that turns over pretty quickly. Probably overturns the whole lake in a couple of 3 days. Beach at the end's a state park beach. In the summer they rent paddleboats, kayaks, canoes, have a snack bar, great for swimming. And above it, you'll see a rock cliff. That's a place called Otis Bluff. That's a nice 20-minute hike up from the road. And for a short hike, you get a great view down the valley. Fairly steep and rocky, but it's a good introductory hike to the right mountains. Out the left side, you'll see a ridge here. That's the Kinsman Ridge. And once you get a little better, you can hike up the Kinsman Ridge Trail. It goes right up that spine. And it gets to the top, takes a left, and goes all the way over the Lush River and North Woodstock at the other end of the notch. Behind that's a body of water called Profile Lake. The Profile Lake sits under what was the Profile Lake. This trail that you see underneath us is a ski trail in the winter, believe it or not, called DJ's Tramway. And according to Ski Magazine, steepest lift access trail in the east, at least when they wrote the article about it. So it takes a lot of snow to open it up. We don't make any or groom it, so it's all natural. It takes 3 to 5 feet to open it up. So some years it doesn't open at all. Last year was pretty good. We got about a week and a half out of it. And in a really good year, we may get 3 weeks or more out of it.
Hey, wait. Hey, Chala, already these.
Scram. Look at the clouds rolling into your left.
nice. I don't know how I can have this happen.
I never recorded that. That was something.
Look at that. Oh, it's opening up.
People don't. People have died. People have died. I remember people died at hypothermia in all clubs. People died at their awesome.
That's the chair. Still get up there.
It looks just like a small potato.
Regular day.
Why did it just make a small potato?
I know, that's what I'm just wondering, we need off of it. And I was wondering, if they could.
They're